Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Orders in Seconds user tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to create an order using the new Orders in Seconds e-commerce application in just 3 easy steps. Okay, so let's get started. First up, we have step 1, create a new order. So if you notice at the bottom of the home screen, there is an icon with the plus sign in the middle and it says new order. To begin creating a new order, we're just going to select that icon. And once selected, it's going to take us to the catalog. All right, and once you've made it to the product catalog, you're ready for step 2, which is adding products. So to add products to your order, you simply select the plus symbol that is at the right-hand side of the product detail. I'm just going to skim through and add a few of these. An auto bike patch kit, you never know when that will come in handy. It's always good to have. And once you've added all the desired products, you're ready for step 3, which is the order checkout. To begin order checkout, we are going to select the red checkout button that is at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And once you select the checkout button, it'll bring you to a summary breakdown of the order we just created. If you're satisfied with your order, you can select the red send button and the app will ask you if you would like to synchronize. And of course we would, so we're going to select yes. And then it will generate a confirmation number for the order we just created. And there you have it, folks. How to create an order using the new Orders in Seconds e-commerce application in just 3 easy steps. On behalf of myself and the entire OIS family, I want to thank you guys for watching, and we hope our tutorial was helpful. Take care.